Have you ever opened up your new remote control toy, excited to get it running, only to find the battery plug does not quite match the one on your vehicle? It can be a little confusing trying to figure out which connector goes where, especially with so many options out there. Well, when it comes to remote control battery connectors, the most common types you will encounter are DINs, often called T-plugs, XT60, XT90, and the ICS or IC series. These connectors are essential for safely and efficiently transferring power from your battery to your remote control model, whether it is a car, a boat, or a drone. The reason for these different connector types boils down to the amount of electrical current they can safely handle, their durability, and ease of use. For instance, smaller connectors like the DINs or XT60 are perfect for drawing moderate currents, typically found in beginner to intermediate remote control vehicles. They are designed with specific surface areas and materials to minimize resistance and prevent overheating, which is crucial for safety and performance. Larger, more robust connectors, such as the XT90 and the IC series, are engineered for high-performance models that demand significant power, ensuring a stable and secure connection even under extreme conditions. To make sure you are always using the right connector, first, check your remote control model's manual for its recommended battery and connector type. If you are unsure, visually inspect the connector on your electronic speed controller, or ESC, which is the part of your vehicle that manages power flow. Then, simply match that with the corresponding connector on your battery. It is always a good idea to standardize your connectors across your remote control fleet to simplify charging and battery management. What is really neat about these connectors is their universal adoption within the remote control hobby, largely thanks to their reliability and specific design features. For example, XT series connectors, known for their distinctive yellow color, feature a self-insulating design and are nearly impossible to connect backward, offering an extra layer of safety. The IC series, which stands for Intelligent Connection System, takes this a step further by often integrating data transfer capabilities, allowing your smart charger to read important battery information like charge cycles and temperature, making your charging process even smarter and safer. Understanding these common connector types ensures you can confidently and safely power your remote control vehicles, giving you peace of mind that your battery connection is secure and optimized for your model's performance. By recognizing these key differences, you are better equipped to choose the right batteries and connectors, preventing frustration and getting you straight to the fun of driving or flying.